If a Shopify navigation tab is missing or not displaying correctly on your store, it can affect user experience and sales. Here's a step-by-step guide to fix this issue. Check the navigation menu. Go to Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify admin and go to Online Store Navigation. Check the menu settings. Ensure that the missing navigation tab is listed under the correct menu. If it's not listed, click Add Menu Item. Then select the page, link or collection for the tab. Save changes. After adding the missing tab, click Save Menu. Clear cache and refresh. Sometimes the missing tab issue is a cache problem. Clear browser cache. Clear the cache or try opening your site in an incognito window. Refresh your store. After clearing the cache, refresh your website to see if the tab appears. Check for theme issues. Customize theme. Go to Online Store, Themes, Customize. And check if the missing tab is part of your theme settings. Revert theme changes. If recent changes cause the issue, consider reverting to an earlier version or restoring default settings. Review app conflicts. If you use apps for navigation, check whether any are interfering with the display. Temporarily disable them to identify the issue.